The proposed secularity laws amendment bill has sparked rage within the human rights community. The civil society says Kenyans should not allow Parliament to pass the bill, which they describe as draconian. As KTN's Ashamulu reports, activists argue that the bill undermines the Bill of Rights enshrined in the Constitution.
Tabled on Tuesday, discussed in a public hearing within one day and in only one county, the Security Laws Amendment Bill of 2014 has opened Pandora's box.
This emergency.
By the time we spoke to the International Commission of Jurists, they were also yet to locate the bill.
When you publish bills for 14 days as required in the standing orders, it enables the public to access those bills, to read and understand them, and to have opportunity to respond to the bills.
But counter-terrorism specialist Richard Tuta says amending our security laws was long overdue.
The US was attacked somewhere in September 11, but on October 26th of the same year, they had an act in place. In fact, even as we are taking long.
Kenya, Kenya. As it marked the International Day of Human Rights here in Nairobi, the civil society's dissenting voice in the proposed bill was loud and clear.
Terrorism in this country is not because of human rights or because of the Constitution. Terrorism is growing because of a number of things. One is the utter disarray and confusion of our police force.
Among other things, the bill seeks to give the National Intelligence Service powers to bite. It gives the Director General of the NIS the authority to obtain any information, material, record, document, or thing to aid in security operations. NIS officers can enter any place or obtain access to anything, search for or remove or return, examine, take extracts from, make copies of, or record that information. They can monitor communication, install, maintain, or remove anything. They can also do anything considered necessary to preserve national security. In the Prevention of Terrorism Act, the amendments seek to control the broadcast of security matters. A part of the bill proposes that any person who broadcasts any information which undermines investigations or security operations without authorization from the National Police Service is liable to 3 years imprisonment or a 5 million shilling fine, or both.
The Constitution of 2010 is an amalgamation of solutions for all our problems. It solves our security problems, it solves our governance problems, and it provides a shared vision of the future for the country.
The new media is the oxygen that terrorists need to survive. So if you want to do away with terrorism today, bring about responsible media.
We must make sure that our media is free. Our media has got the ability to investigate. Our media is the messenger. You don't get the messenger. The messenger cannot be the problem.
With the ball now on Parliament's court, it's a wait-and-tell game on whether the bill will sail through or if the dissenting voices will be loud enough to change it. Ashamulu, KTN, Nairobi.